Hello and welcome or welcome back to Karavali Days. Today I'm going to share with you how to make rice paper rolls. These are the list of ingredients. Here I've taken some veggies, dry prawns, egg, and then I've also taken some butter, oil, and also some cheese. So you can switch cheese with mayo, no problem. First dry roast or fry the dry prawn once you wash it. And then also vegetables which you cannot go ahead and eat raw, you can saute it as well. I've taken egg and then put some oil, fried the eggs in it, and then added cheese. What you can do in case if you do not like cheese, you can use mayonnaise as a base. You do not have to cook it along with the egg. You can use it as a base on the rice paper. You can also use green leafy vegetables like lettuce, if you have palette or spinach, or if you want to use methi leaves, the choice is yours. Here it is easy and simple with whatever was available at home. Once I fried the egg, I cut it into strips. Now I'm going to take the rice paper. Rice paper is normally pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking it and frying it unless you want to do so. And rice paper, you would have to first wash it in clear water, or you can directly soak it in boiled and cooled water, so it becomes really soft like this. Sometimes it tears, like it always does for me, so that's not a problem as long as it does not tear in the center. Okay, put in all the ingredients. Here I've added thin sliced carrots, and then roasted beans, roasted dry prawns, egg with cheese, onions and tomatoes. You can also first, in case if you're using leafy vegetables like lettuce, place that first and put all the ingredients on top of it, and then slowly roll it. Like I said, I'm actually a pro in going ahead and tearing the sheet. Somehow I land up doing it. So you can twist it, and you don't have to worry about sticking it. It automatically sticks. You can also apply mayonnaise as the base, and then go ahead and put all the vegetables on top of it as well. Egg and prawns is one of those recipes or rather a combination that I tried in Vietnam, and I loved it. I'm sure you'll love it too. And if you look at the previous video that I've shared, I did make tangy mango chutney. So I've used that as a dip to taste it. You can use any sauce of your choice as well. This is as easy and simple and tasty and yummy and delicious and healthy. The list goes forever, on and on forever. I just love it, right? You can switch or replace, for vegetarians, you can switch and replace the egg with paneer, and you can skip the dry prawns altogether. No problem at all. I hope you love the videos like I like sharing it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.